Hello guys, this is my CS50 project one, which is called Wiki. My Django project can go to each entry by entering the name of the entry in the URL, like HTML, enter, and Django will send directly to the entry page, which is HTML. And or if someone write the entry that doesn't exist in the database, like C# and enter, and it will show me error message 404 page not found. Okay, so in my index.html page, which is linked with this whole tag, and it show all the list of the entry that are already exist in Django project, and by entering each entry it will send to the corresponding entry. Like if we go to the Django, it will show the entry of Django, and if we go to the Git, it will show the entry of Git, and also things like that. So let's talk about search, and in this search box you can type the name of the entry, like enter HTML and enter, and it will send me to the HTML entry. Or if you type the entry like O and enter, it will not send me to the entry which title is O, but it shows the result all of the entry that contain O as substring. So clicking each entry will go to the corresponding entry page. So let's talk about create new page. This create new page allows user to create new entry. This file name text box allows user to write the name of their new entry, like Java, and this contact area allows the user to write all of the contacts that will contain in this new entry. User can write also the markdown like hash Java, and Java is a programming language, and user can submit that by clicking the submit button, and after that Django will send me directly to the entry, this new entry, which is Java. Let's check the case of if the user try to create an entry but that's already exist in this application database. Create new page, like enter HTML and write the content like HTML is a markup language. Okay, then submit. It will show can't create because this HTML entry is already exists in this application, so Django will not allow us to create this new entry which has already exist in the database. So let's talk about the feature of edit. So this feature allows the user to edit the existing entry, and click that, and there is a text area, and inside which there's a text that already exists in that entry. Then user can edit that entry and also update that entry, like 1, 2, and 3, and user can. So this is the edited version of CSS entry, and these words are the new words that I'm edited. Then this random page feature allows the user to see the entry randomly, and when I click that it will send me to Django, and click again it will send me to HTML, click again Python, click again Python, and PHP. Okay, then my Django application allows the user to write the entry with Markdown. Let's edit this PHP entry, and here we can see there is a Markdown symbol for heading, and let's add another Markdown symbol like hash, which means this is a subheading, like it may be h2, and save. Then you see this is it. This is my CS50 project one, which is called Wiki, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.